Hello, good morning students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Now today we are discussing problem number 9. Very lengthy problem beta. Okay. See. Z varies directly as x and inversely of y. See beta. Z is given. Z is directly proportional to x and z is inversely proportional to y. So that means I am writing z proportional to x into 1, x into 1 by y. This multiply I am doing. Then z proportional to x by y. Now I am writing z is equal. Okay. See beta, z proportional to x, nothing but I am writing z is equal kx. Okay. When I am removing proportional, I will take as a constant k. So I am writing here k into x by y. If k is equal to 1, now z is equal to what? X by y. Take it the first one. Okay. Now this one, first line over. Find the percentage increasing in z due to an increasing of 12% in x. If 12% is increasing in x and 20% is decreasing in y, then what is the changes in z? We are asking. So first of all, increasing in z 12%. Increase 12% in x. So how can you write it? Already x is there. How much increasing? 12% in x. So 12x by 100. Okay. Now do the LCM. 100 into x. 100x plus 12x. How much? 112x by 100. It is increasing. Next, decreasing. Decreasing 20% in y. Okay. So what is that? Y minus, decreasing now I am writing minus, how much? 20%. 20y by 100. Again do the LCM. Take that by 1. 100. LCM 100. 100 ones are 100 into y. 100y minus 20y. How much you get? 80y by 100. Okay. Here. Now z. Therefore z is equal what? X by y na? So I am writing x by y. So what is the value of x here? 112x by 100 by y nothing but 80y by 100. 100 cancel. So z is equal to how much? 112x by 80y. But here asking is percentages na? So we have to find percentage. See here, percentage change, that is z is equal change in value of z by value of x, value of z by original value of z. See here, z. Here changing value is here. This one, changing value is 112x by 80 minus what is the original value? That is x by y. Here. Next, original value what? X by y. See here. Here 80y into y. To do the LCM, you get 80y. So 100 numerator same as this. Now here how much you get? X by y into 80y. Y cancel. How much you get? 80x. Lastly I have write x by y. Here is equal. Now how much you get here? Z is equal what? 112 x minus 80x by what? 80y by x by y. 112 minus x is how much? That is 32x. 32x by 80y by x by y. Now see here, z is equal, I am writing 32x by 80y. If you send upper side, that you take reciprocal form, that is y by x. X cancel, y by. So here, sorry, but here into 100 here, percentage into 100. into 100. Here also into 100. Okay. Cancel. How much you get here? 32 into 80 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8 fours are. 40 into 10, 40%. This is our answer. Now next problem. See, 10th one. If x plus 1 means will do the work in x plus 1 days. Here means and days. Okay. See how many work means are there? X plus 1 and days also x plus 1. If find the number of days, okay, you have to find the number of days, we don't know. If the men's are increasing, one member is increasing, that means x plus 2 members. Okay. See here, if the men's were increasing means days were decreasing, so the quantities are in inversely proportional. So you have to take here x1 as x plus 1 and y1 as x plus 1. Okay. Next x2 as x plus 2. Y2 as Y2 only. Okay. Now, what is the formula? X1 Y1 is equal what? X2 Y2. Next, what is the value of X1? That is X plus 1 and Y1 also X plus 1. X plus 2 value, that is X2 value X plus 2, Y2 value Y2 only. See here X plus 1, X plus 1 2 times. You have to write X plus 1 whole square is equal X plus 2 into Y2. We want only Y2 value now. You have to write Y2 is equal what? X plus 1 whole square by x plus 2. This is our answer. Now last problem in this exercise. Very easy problem. Just fill up the boxes. Okay. Given a rectangle with a fixed perimeter of 24 meters. Here perimeter is 24 meter is fixed. Okay. If we increasing the length by 1 meter, width and area will be according to a vary. According to use the following table to value, look at how the width and areas are the length varies. Okay, here see the length, width nothing but breadth beta. Here area. Okay, just one I will explain. Remain your the homework. See here 1, 11, 11. Here see that means what is the perimeter of that is 2 into L plus B here. Here 2 into L nothing but 1 plus 11. 12, 12, 12, 24 is fixed. So if 2, 3, 4, 10, 2. See better? 10 plus 2, 12. 12 to the 24. Okay. In 8, 12, 8. See here, length plus breadth into it's 2 plus 3. See here, how much you have to take? You get 24 here. Okay. If you take 9, 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 to the 24. If you add 8 plus 2, 12. Okay. If you length breadth, you multiply, you get the answer. 9 3 is 27. 8 4 is 32. This like you have to find out. Okay. A and add chese 12 వస్తున్నా 11 plus 1 12 same as 10 plus 2 12 9 plus 3 12 8 plus 6. You decreasing the values. If you increase this, you decreasing the values. Okay. Now you have to complete this same like that only. In this session this much enough. Thank you so much.